What's up everybody, in this quick video I'm gonna show you best Hedera or HBAR wallet, and this wallet called HBAR. So HBAR available in a different ways. You can download on mobile, you can download as an extension, or you can actually open in a web browser by itself. To get started, you just have to go to hbar.app, and I'm gonna leave link in the description below, and in here you're gonna see either download or get HBAR. Just press on get HBAR and it's gonna give you a couple different options, and like I said, it's available on mobile. You can download for Android or Apple, and you can either install as an extension or launch in the web. If you press on launch in the web, interface is gonna be exactly the same. You're just gonna be presented with this screen right here. But for this video tutorial, we're gonna download for Chrome, install on Chrome, and then in here just press add to Chrome and add an extension. It's gonna download really quick. Just press on it and then open it. That's it. HBAR is added. We'll go back here and then we pin, so that way it's gonna be here all the time. So what we need to do, just press on it, new window is gonna appear. In here there's a couple different options: create a new wallet, or I already have a wallet. You can use, if you previously created like either private key or seed phrase, you can activate it here, or you can actually use hardware wallet like a Ledger or other ones that supports HBAR. But for this video tutorial, we're just gonna create new wallet. Press on create new wallet. You have to come up with password, and minimum is 12 characters, and then press on I agree, terms and conditions, and then next. In here there's a couple different options how you would like to actually log in, and you can continue with the email, or advanced option, create a new wallet with the seed phrase. And for this video tutorial, this is what I'm going to be using, just create new wallet, and in here I'm going to choose this option right here, and this is my seed phrase. Always make sure write it down and save it safe somewhere, in case if you have to go back or install on another device. This is what you're going to be able to use to recover your seed phrase. I'm not gonna blur my seed phrase because right after this video I'm gonna delete this wallet and it's never gonna be used again. Then press next. So in here we just have to confirm, and this is just making sure that you have your seed phrase saved somewhere, and then press next. So you can come up with a nickname, username or something, or you can just leave it blank and then verify that you're not a robot. Okay, and then also you can actually change your currency here. For this video I'm just gonna leave USD and then create wallet. Once wallet is created, it's gonna give you your account ID or actual HBAR wallet. You can copy here, and in here you can also reveal your recovery phrase or your key. You can save that as well. So this is what we've seen earlier, and private key. So you can reactivate or add your wallet both ways with a private key or seed phrase, and then done. Then put a check mark here and let's go. So this is what your wallet is gonna look like. Right here I don't have any HBAR, but your balance will show here, your wallet here as well. And if you're trying to receive money, like for example you purchase HBAR and you try to send here, you just press on this right here. This window is gonna appear, and you can copy two different ones, either with a checksum or no checksum. I usually do no checksum and it works just fine. Also they adding EVM address as well, and you can just copy and then send it to somebody who's going to be sending you money, or you're just going to use that to send money yourself. All of your assets is going to show in here, as you can see, HBAR here, and then if you're going to be purchasing different tokens, they're also going to appear over here. You can also dismiss this, or you can buy HBAR directly from here. Like for example, if you chose not to use any centralized exchanges, gives you different options: MoonPay, C14, and Banksa. I never used this one before, but I've used MoonPay. Great on-ramp option. Then you can go back here, and then again right here, different things you can buy here in your wallet. Then you can close, and then also send. To send money, you just press on send, add HBAR address here, and then press next, and then you're going to be able to send. And same way receive, you can copy address and the same window is going to pop up, or you can share this QR code. And then swap, they actually have built-in swap, kind of like many other wallets are using, like MetaMask, Solana, Phantom, and other ones. And you can swap from HBAR to many different ones. Just press on it and just search whatever coin you're looking for, and then set the amount, swap. NFTs, for example, if you would purchase or receive any NFTs, they would show up over here. And also if you scroll down, you're going to be able to see Launchpad and what's actually minting right now, so you can engage with that. And dApp section, you can find many different dApps on HBAR, and this is so cool. You don't have to look for it. Everything's built in into the wallet. NFT marketplaces, launchpads, lending, borrowing, communities. If you're looking for some kind of HBAR community, they can be found here. NFT tools, games, and much more. DEXs, everything can be found here. Then stake option, let's say if you have a PAC tokens or HBAR tokens, you can just stake it here and earn some rewards, and then your entire history is going to be shown over here as well. Then there is a refresh button, connected dApps, notifications, and then settings. So in settings, couple different options. You can use help allowance to manage tokens, address book, customize account, general, and if you decide to add more wallets, which you can do, you can just press on add an account and it's gonna give you this option, create a new wallet or I already have a wallet. Same thing what we did when we were creating our wallet. Unfortunately, at this time they don't have a user interface where you can just create multiple wallets under one seed phrase, just like MetaMask or Phantom or any other wallet. However, there is a way, but it's really hard to do that and we're not gonna cover it in this video. And if you decide to add more tokens, you just press add token, select which one, and then associate token. However, you have to pay very small fee to do that. So since I don't have any HBAR, we're not gonna do that. And this is pretty much it. This is the best HBAR wallet that you can download and use for any HBAR activities. Link to this wallet I'm gonna leave in the description below. Thanks for watching.